In this video, I will explain about divide each part. As I show in the last video, some of you might be confused, and I'm sorry for that, and now, I will explain more detail about it. As we have color every part, there must be a part that overlap. As you can see the pink colored part, I don't color it according to shape. It is because I put it in the lower layer, and see, it is in its part, and does not stain other areas. Let's see another example. When you put the layer at the lowest, you can freely color. Yes, it's easy, but it will give you a problem when you want shade. Here I show you one example of one lowest part, which is green. Hide all color first so we can see the difference. As you can see, the green color should be the face and neck only, but it looks like it has took many parts. Here I show you what will happen if you don't fix it. Select opacity of green color. I will try to color the selected area. As you can see, it goes into the other part. To fix it, we have to delete other area that is not the green area. First, get to know which overlap area. Look like green color overlap with many color. So first we will choose read color area. Tap the read color layer and select opacity. Then select the green color layer. Erase the overlap part with eraser. Remove selected area and see. The overlap part have deleted. Repeat same steps for other color layer. At the end, the color will be in the right area. Let's test how it turns out. Can you see the difference between this and 4? Let's try the pink area next. It's easy, right? I always do this method when I was a beginner, and it helps